And we're back to learning Inkscape in the year day 131. Let me show the scatter option of the spray tool. Before I activate the spray tool, always select the object that you want to spray. Here on the first mode for copying on the top left, scatter 1 width of 70. Now let me increase the scatter to 100. And now you can see what it does. So it distributes the copies a little bit wider when you go up with the scatter. Let me go to 100 for the width and I increase the amount. And with a high scatter value, you can see how easily and quickly you can fill an entire canvas. Let me do it once more. Amount 15, width I go down to 10 and I use a scatter of 100. Doesn't look like it's distributed that far apart, and the reason is simply the width was too small. So the width basically determines the limits of how far these elements will be copied apart. So when you have a high scatter value, also check your width value. You want to make that pretty high as well, and only then will it be distributed randomly far apart. And this is the scatter option of the spray tool in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.